When it comes to real estate investing, owning the property is only half the battle. If you want your investment to actually perform and keep performing, successful property management is the real key. Whether you own a single-family rental, a small apartment building, or even a commercial property, good property management can make or break your returns. My name is Stephen Gage, President of Vision Commercial Development. Today, we're diving into the essential elements that set successful property managers apart and how you can apply these strategies to protect your investments and maximize profits. Great property management doesn't happen by accident. It starts with a clear, well-defined plan that aligns with both the short-term cash flow goals and the long-term financial objectives for the property. Successful property managers don't just wait for problems to pop up and react. They start with specific, measurable goals that guide every decision that they make. That could mean reducing tenant turnover by 15% within the next year, cutting maintenance costs through more efficient preventative care, or increasing rent revenue by gradually upgrading units and improving amenities. These goals aren't just written down once and forgotten. They're consistently monitored, tracked, and refined as new challenges and opportunities arise. A good property manager understands that the market is always shifting, from local rental demand to broader economic conditions, so they stay flexible, adjusting their strategies to keep the property competitive while staying aligned with the owner's financial expectations. Property management isn't a one-and-done checklist. It's an ongoing process of evaluation, adjustment, and proactive decision-making to maximize the property's value and profitability over time. At the heart of successful property management is good communication. Property managers who build strong relationships with tenants are far more likely to enjoy on-time rent payments, longer leases, and fewer disputes. It's not enough just to be available when something goes wrong. Successful managers proactively communicate important updates, make themselves accessible through phone, email, and even online portals, and foster a sense of community that makes tenants want to stay. Happy tenants are long-term tenants, and keeping your tenants happy starts with clear, respectful communication. A successful property manager knows that good tenants are the foundation of profitable properties. That's why thorough tenant screening is non-negotiable. Running background checks, verifying employment and income, checking rental history, and reviewing credit reports are all critical steps to reduce the risk of late payments, evictions, and property damage. But great management doesn't stop once the tenant moves in. A clear, comprehensive lease agreement, one that lays out every rule, responsibility, and expectation up front, helps set the tone for a smooth, professional landlord-tenant relationship from day one. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is only reacting to maintenance issues after they happen. Successful property managers take a proactive approach. They schedule regular maintenance inspections, catch small problems before they turn into expensive repairs, and stay ahead of seasonal maintenance to protect the property's value. They also build relationships with top-notch service professionals, ensuring every repair gets done right the first time. Proactive maintenance isn't just about preserving the building, it's about keeping tenants happy by showing them that their concerns are taken seriously. A rental property isn't just a building, it's a business, and every business needs strong financial management. Successful property managers have clear accounting protocols to track every dollar coming in and going out. They automate rent collection to avoid missed payments, log and track every maintenance request, and review financial performance regularly to spot inefficiencies. Staying on top of the property's cash flow, expenses, and performance metrics ensure the property stays profitable and help you make smarter decisions when it comes to upgrades, rent increases, or even selling. Today's property managers don't just rely on spreadsheets and phone calls. They embrace technology to streamline everything from rent payments to maintenance requests. The best property managers use property management software to centralize communication, track work orders, manage leases, and analyze financial performance in real time. Data analytics also plays a growing role, helping managers spot trends, anticipate vacancies, and optimize rental pricing based on real-time market conditions. The future of property management is digital, and it's staying ahead means embracing these tools now. Even the best-run property can hit a legal snag if you're not on top of compliance. Successful property managers stay up to date on local, state, and federal regulations, including fair housing laws, building codes, lease requirements, and tenant rights. Ignorance isn't an excuse, and failing to comply can mean fines, lawsuits, or even losing your rental license. Whether you manage your own properties or hire a professional, understanding these key elements can make a difference between a profitable, stress-free investment and a constant headache. If you're serious about building wealth through real estate, mastering property management is one of the smartest moves that you can make. If you're interested in commercial real estate investing and you don't want to do it alone, our company, Vision Commercial Development, is always on the lookout for new investors who would like to participate in groundbreaking projects. If you want to start working with the team today, head over to visioncommercialdevelopment.com and let's chat about new and fun investment opportunities that we could potentially work on together. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights into the real estate landscape. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.